The UN Refugee Agency on Friday thanked China for donation of personal protective equipment to support COVID-19 response for refugees and host communities in western Tanzania. The PPE was handed over to the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees representative in Tanzania, Mahoa Params, by the Chinese ambassador to Tanzania, Chen Mingjian, in the commercial capital Dar es Salaam. The PPE worth 1,265 million Tanzanian shillings included respiratory masks N95, disposable fluid-resistant gowns, medical gloves, eye protection goggles and reusable gumboots. They will be delivered to refugee camps in the country's western region of Kigoma.
Any outbreak of a serious disease in the refugee camp or in the host communities can have very bad consequences. So, therefore, receiving these items today is very timely and will ensure that health workers and their patients are not left behind.
Chinese government always attaches great importance to the refugee issue. China is committed to preserving peace and promoting development and actively participates in humanitarian assistance.
As part of the multi-country COVID-19 response program, China has also provided the same assistance to two other East African countries of Kenya and South Sudan through the UN Refugee Agency.